Before I go into the next section where I'm going to talk about index, no index, follow, and no follow, and the combinations of them, I just want to define each one so that everything's really clear. So first of all, index. That means that Google or whatever search engine, they're scanning the web every day, every hour, every minute, looking for new material to add to their index, their database of websites, right? It's kind of like the old card catalogs in the library. If you set your pages to index, it's telling Google that you want them to include that as a possibility to come up in the search results, right? Pretty simple stuff. No index is just the opposite, as you probably guessed. You don't want Google to include that in their results yet because maybe the page isn't finished or you only want certain people to know about it that you're going to send a private link to. You don't want that indexed. So those are index and no index. Now follow has to do with links. When somebody links to you, meaning like they're writing an article, a post, maybe they have like a resources section on their site, and they put a link to your website, it's kind of like a vote of confidence in your site. They thought your material was useful or valuable enough that they wanted their readers to be able to continue learning more about whatever topic it is on the page, the post, or in the resources section. Now, when somebody links out to you, they can do one of two things. They can make it do follow or no follow. Now, do follow will provide you with SEO benefits. So each website has a certain amount of authority in Google's eyes, and they can send some of that authority to other websites through links. So if somebody links to you and makes it do follow, that authority, the authority of that website, is going to pass on to you, as they say. They call it link juice. Now, no follow, on the other hand, doesn't provide any SEO benefit. So the person who's linking to you is not going to pass any of their authority onto you. However, I mean, when people click on the link on their website, it's still going to go to your website. They're still going to be able to find you there. It's just not going to help you in the search rankings. So those are the differences. Do follow is going to move you up a little bit, pass on the authority. No follow is not going to help you out. So those are the differences between index, no index, follow, and no follow. So go ahead and click on the next video and we'll see the different combinations